In today's fast-paced digital landscape, establishing and maintaining a successful online presence is not just important, it's essential. Whether you're a content creator looking to monetize your work, an entrepreneur seeking to expand your customer base, or a business owner aiming to enhance user engagement, having a robust membership system can truly elevate your online platform to new heights. And that's where the Ultimate Membership Pro WordPress plugin comes into play, the ultimate solution for creating and managing membership sites with unparalleled ease and efficiency. With its intuitive user interface and an array of powerful features, Ultimate Membership Pro empowers you to build and customize membership plans that are perfectly tailored to your specific needs and goals. Flexible membership plans. With Ultimate Membership Pro, you have the freedom to create an unlimited number of membership levels and subscription plans, allowing you to offer your audience a wide variety of options to choose from, thus catering to diverse preferences and requirements. Content restriction. Easily control access to premium content, pages, posts, or even entire sections of your website based on membership levels, ensuring that your valuable resources are accessible only to paying members, thus enhancing exclusivity and driving membership signups. Drip content. Keep your members engaged and coming back for more by drip-feeding content to them over time. With Ultimate Membership Pro, you can effortlessly schedule the release of new content, courses, or resources at predefined intervals, thereby maximizing user retention and satisfaction. Payment gateways. Seamlessly integrate with popular payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and AuthorizeNet to accept payments securely and conveniently. Ultimate Membership Pro ensures a smooth and hassle-free payment process for both you and your members, facilitating seamless transactions and fostering trust and credibility. Discount codes. Attract new members and retain existing ones by offering irresistible discounts and promotions using customizable discount codes. With Ultimate Membership Pro, you can easily create and manage discount codes, allowing you to incentivize membership signups and boost revenue generation effortlessly. Email marketing integration. Strengthen your connection with your members by integrating with leading email marketing platforms like MailChimp and Auber. Ultimate Membership Pro enables you to effortlessly communicate with your members, send newsletters, updates, and special offers, thus nurturing meaningful relationships and fostering long-term loyalty. Analytics and reporting. Gain valuable insights into your membership site's performance with comprehensive analytics and reporting tools. Track key metrics, monitor member engagement, and identify areas for improvement, enabling you to make informed decisions and optimize your membership site for maximum effectiveness and success. Whether you're running a subscription-based service, an online course platform, or a digital product marketplace, Ultimate Membership Pro provides you with all the essential tools and features you need to thrive in today's competitive online landscape. And rest assured, whenever you need assistance, our dedicated customer support team is here to help you every step of the way. With comprehensive documentation and responsive support, you'll never feel stranded or unsure. Ready to take your online platform to the next level? Visit the Ultimate Membership Pro website today and start building the membership site of your dreams.